Toyota Safety Sense, or TSS, is a suite of active safety technologies and advanced driver assistance systems. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 introduces a number of enhancements over the previous generation, including upgraded forward-facing cameras with higher resolution and wider angles, and improved radar sensors for a longer and wider field of view. These improvements bring new and expanded feature capabilities to the 6 systems found in TSS 3.0, which is now capable of over-the-air updates on equipped vehicles. Let's take a closer look at the suite and see what's new. Pre-collision system, or PCS, is designed to help drivers mitigate or avoid frontal collisions by detecting vehicles or pedestrians in either daytime or low-light situations. When a potential hazard is detected, the system can provide audible and visual alerts, and is designed to help assist with automatic braking in certain conditions. With TSS 3.0, the system now has enhanced intersection support with improved detection range capability, including, in certain circumstances, oncoming vehicles in more than one lane and vehicles approaching from a lateral direction. Finally, in addition to bicyclist and pedestrian detection, TSS 3.0 is capable of motorcyclist detection in certain situations. Lane Departure Alert, or LDA, is designed to help detect lane departure when traveling at speeds above 32 miles per hour on relatively straight roads with clear lane markings. If LDA senses that the vehicle is unintentionally drifting from its lane, the system is designed to alert the driver as well as use steering assist, gentle corrective steering, to keep the vehicle in the correct lane. With TSS 3.0, Lane Departure Alert with Steering Assist now provides enhanced lane recognition to detect certain three-dimensional objects used to define the lane, like certain types of guardrails. Dynamic Radar Cruise Control, or DRCC, is designed to help detect slower vehicles in front of the driver's vehicle, and automatically adjust the driver's speed to help maintain a preset distance behind the vehicle ahead. With TSS 3.0, full-speed DRCC sees several enhancements, including an update from 3 to 4 cruise distance settings. TSS 3.0 also brings enhanced vehicle detection that enables the system to provide smoother, more natural speed adjustments. Now, when the driver signals to change lanes, the system is designed to detect preceding vehicles in adjacent lanes and can preemptively adjust the speed for the upcoming lane. Lane Tracing Assist, or LTA, is designed to operate only when DRCC has been activated. LTA monitors lane markings as well as the path of the vehicle ahead, and is designed to actively provide steering inputs that help keep the vehicle centered in its lane. TSS 3.0 also includes Offset Driving Path within a lane, which is designed to steer the vehicle within its lane to help provide more space between objects being passed in an adjacent lane. In addition, Emergency Driving Stop System is designed to monitor the driver's actions to determine if they are inattentive. Vehicles not equipped with a driver monitor camera will determine driver alertness by monitoring steering, brake, and throttle input. If these are not operated for a certain amount of time, the system will assume the driver is not paying attention, and the EDSS system may intervene. The system can bring the vehicle to a stop and automatically turn on the hazard lights if the driver does not respond to prompts to resume control of the vehicle. Road Sign Assist, or RSA, is designed to help detect speed limit signs, stop signs, do not enter signs, and yield signs, and display them on the vehicle's multi-information display. This is designed to help provide the driver with additional awareness of posted road signs. The system can also provide alerts, like if the vehicle's speed exceeds the posted speed limit. With TSS 3.0, RSA now benefits from enhanced road sign detection. The Automatic High Beams, or AHB system, is designed to help the driver see more clearly at night, while also reducing glare for surrounding drivers. When activated, the AHB system is designed to help detect the headlights of oncoming vehicles and taillights of preceding vehicles, and then automatically toggle accordingly between high and low beams. With TSS 3.0, Toyota's latest generation of active safety technologies and advanced driver assistance systems are along for the ride. For more information, please visit toyota.com/safetysense or refer to your owner's manual.